Vivo is introducing its new Y600 Pro smartphone. It runs on MediaTek Dimensity 700E chipset with a powerful octa-core CPU. The display is AMOLED with 6.83 inches screen size and feature an 1.5K resolution. The standout feature of this phone is massive 10,200 mAh battery and is claimed to deliver a standby time of 16.7 days and supports of 90-watt fast charging. It offers IP68, IP69 waterproof ratings. RAM is 12 GB and storage is 512 GB. The back camera main lens holds 50 megapixel and 32 megapixel front facing camera. Phone runs on Android 16 operating system. That's all for now. Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.